To connect your Juniper Geode external GPS device for use by the PCS Field Data Collector app, first, swipe up on the main screen to enter the OS settings. Press the Settings button. In the main settings window, scroll down to the Connected Devices button and press it. On the Connected Devices window, press Pair New Device. You should see your Juniper Geode populate in the list of available Bluetooth devices. You may need to scroll down to find it. When you locate the Geode, press the button. Press the Pair button. The Juniper Geode is now connected into the OS settings. Go back to the home screen and launch the PCS Field Data Collector app. In the PCS Field Data Collector app, you should see a gear button on the left-hand side. This gear button takes you to the settings window. Press the button. On the settings window, press the Connections tab. On the Connections window, press the GPS tab. Your Geode device should show up in the list of available devices. If not, press the Refresh button. In this case, our Geode was previously connected, and so it automatically connects to the PCS Field Data Collector app.